How to join two videos in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily merge or combine two videos in your Canva. So first thing, simply head over to your Canva from your browser or you're using your application, and once you're inside here, simply click on the video icon over here. Simply select the resolution or type of the video you want. I just want to select a YouTube video, for example, and wait for some time for it to load. And as you can see, I've already selected a random draft video from here. And what you can do to add a new video for here is simply head over to your upload section, and you can also see here the videos section. What you can do is simply click on it and click on the video itself. And to combine this video, what you can do is simply click on plus icon over here, and let me just close it. Add this video from here to there like this. As you can see, I have successfully combined two different videos, and you can edit accordingly to your need like this as well. I've also overlapped. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.